Hi, welcome to the quiz. You will be presented with multiple choice questions, each displayed on screen for a short time. Please make sure to attempt answering all the questions. Quizzes help us to reinforce our knowledge, identify areas where we need to focus more, and improve our overall performance. Taking quizzes can also help to increase retention and make the learning process more engaging and enjoyable. With that out of the way, you can answer along on quizalto.com. The exact URL of this quiz will be in the notes down below. Let's get started. Good luck. What is a security benefit of using AWS CloudHSM for key management over traditional on-premises HSM solutions? Lower latency. Physical security of data centers. Ability to customize encryption algorithms. Built-in data compression. What role does AWS CloudHSM play in ensuring data confidentiality and integrity? Compressing data for storage efficiency. Reducing data backup costs. Securely encrypting data at rest and in transit. Optimizing data retrieval speed. What type of key storage redundancy does AWS CloudHSM support for high availability? Multi-AZ. Georeplication. Cross-region. Hot standby. What AWS service is commonly used in conjunction with AWS CloudHSM for managing encryption keys? AWS CloudTrail. Amazon S3. Amazon RDS. AWS Key Management Service. What is a key advantage of using AWS CloudHSM for key management over traditional key management service solutions in terms of key generation? More encryption algorithms. Built-in cryptographic libraries. Faster key processing. Hardware randomness. What is the primary benefit of using AWS CloudHSM for cryptographic operations in a multi-tenant cloud environment? Real-time intrusion prevention. Isolation of encryption resources. Distributed key management. Shared encryption keys. What is AWS CloudHSM primarily used for? Deploying Lambda functions. Scaling relational databases. Securing cryptographic keys. Managing S3 buckets. What role is responsible for generating and managing keys in AWS CloudHSM? Security Group. Root Administrator. Crypto Officer. User. What advantage does AWS CloudHSM provide in terms of data privacy protection? Real-time data monitoring. Network penetration testing. Secure key management for data encryption. Public key distribution. What advantage does AWS CloudHSM provide in terms of managing encryption key lifecycle? Shared key expiry alerts. Secure key rotation. Public key authentication. Open source encryption algorithms. What type of key lifecycle management capability does AWS CloudHSM offer? Key masking. Key escrow. Key sharing. Key rotation. What is a key security feature of AWS CloudHSM for key management in terms of access controls? Single sign-on. Granular permissions. Open API access. Two-factor authentication. What feature of AWS CloudHSM helps with regulatory compliance requirements? ISO 27001 certification. GDPR compliance. FIPS 140-2 Level 3 certification. PCI DSS compliance. What is the primary function of the AWS CloudHSM key storage service? Securely storing encryption keys. Duplicating data for backup purposes. Monitoring network traffic. Accelerating data retrieval. What is the purpose of the AWS CloudHSM client software? Encrypt data at rest. Manage IAM users. Establish secure connections to HSM. Create VPC endpoints. What is the purpose of the CloudHSM audit feature in AWS CloudHSM? Data replication. Load balancing. Logs and monitoring. High availability. What is the key advantage of using AWS CloudHSM for compliance-sensitive workloads? Enhanced network security. Meeting regulatory requirements. Faster data processing. Lowering operational costs. What is the primary advantage of using AWS CloudHSM for cryptographic operations in the cloud? Hardware security modules for enhanced security. Integrated data analytics features. Cost-efficient billing options. Lower latency for network communication. What is the primary advantage of using AWS CloudHSM for key management over software-based solutions in terms of security assurance? Virtual private networks. Public key infrastructure. Endpoint protection software. Physical tamper-resistant environments. What AWS CloudHSM feature provides automatic notifications for critical events? CloudTrail events. SNS. Cs. CloudWatch alarms. What is the primary goal of AWS CloudHSM's data encryption services? Reducing storage costs. Accelerating data transfer. Protecting data confidentiality and integrity. Optimizing network bandwidth. What is the purpose of the AWS CloudHSM custom key store? To monitor resource usage. To manage network configurations. To provide a dedicated key storage solution. To automate encryption processes. What aspect of AWS CloudHSM provides redundancy and fault tolerance for key storage? Geo-replication. Manual backups. Automatic failover. High availability partitions. What is a key advantage of using AWS CloudHSM for key management in terms of key performance? Predictive analytics. Hardware acceleration. Real-time alerts. Geographic replication. What benefit does AWS CloudHSM provide in terms of performance for cryptographic operations? Parallel processing. Software emulation. Hardware acceleration. Automatic load balancing. And that's a wrap. Thanks to everyone who participated. Remember, you can answer along on quizalto.com, where you can keep track of your progress and find much more quizzes. We hope you had a fun and challenging time. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.